Hi there. It's Sam the Avatar here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Change Your Mind, Change Your World. Welcome to day 7 of learning how to apply the laws of power to get a competitive edge in your life. Specifically, the 7th law is get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Easier said than done, right? But it is essential. You are too valuable to do it all, and you need to focus your mind and attention on the things that matter, and that require your specific skill set. So this law is all about delegating tasks and responsibilities to others, while still being able to take the credit for the success of those tasks. It's about being able to use the efforts of others to advance your own goals, without having to do all the work yourself. One way to apply this law is by being a good leader and manager. As a leader, it's important to be able to delegate tasks to your team members and trust that they will complete them to the best of their abilities. By doing this, you will be able to focus on more important tasks and still take credit for the success of the team. So how can you get others to do what you want them to and apply this law in the modern world? In general, by networking and building relationships with others in your field. By connecting with others and building a network of contacts, you will be able to tap into the skills and expertise of others to help you achieve your goals. Just make sure to take the credit for the success that comes from those connections. So first thing to keep in mind is to be aware of the potential consequences. Delegating tasks to others and taking credit for their success can lead to resentment and a lack of trust from those around you. So you must do it strategically and give credit to others as well to keep people happy. But at the same time, look for the perfect opportunities to take credit yourself. You must consider the audience, the situation, and the timing when taking credit for the work of others. Secondly, be confident and assertive in claiming credit for the work of others, but avoid being arrogant or boastful. You need to seem humble, all while making it seem like you're the only one able to complete impossible tasks. Thirdly, be a good leader and manager. Delegate tasks to your team members and trust that they will complete them to the best of their abilities. Give people tasks you know they can accomplish, but don't insult them by giving them tasks that are too simple, and don't overwhelm them by giving them tasks that are too exhausting and stress them out. This means you need to know your team well and pay attention to their strengths and weaknesses so that you are assigning them the right tasks and keeping them happy and motivated to keep working. Also, make sure you treat your team fairly and make them feel heard. You don't want to come off as a dictator, too demanding, or like you're looking down at anyone. Humble yourself and value those around you. This will easily allow you to build a reputation for being a successful leader or team player, which will make it easier to take credit for the success of others and claim it as your own. Lastly, be persistent in claiming credit for the work of others. Don't give up easily if someone else tries to take credit. Also, work on networking and building relationships. This will help you learn to tap into the skills and expertise of others to help you achieve your goals. If you're persistent, it becomes increasingly difficult to say no to you or stand in your way. One thing to keep in mind when applying this law is to be aware of the potential consequences. Delegating tasks to others and taking credit for their success can lead to resentment and a lack of trust from those around you. It's important to be fair and give credit where credit is due. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if you have any examples of how you've applied this law in your own life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the 48 Laws of Power.